In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the full process of downloading and installing Audacity on your Windows 11 computer. Audacity is a free, open source, and powerful audio editor that allows you to record, edit, and mix audio tracks with ease. It's widely used by creators for podcasts, voiceovers, music production, and sound editing because of its simplicity and professional-grade features. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type Audacity Download into the search bar. Make sure to select the official website, which is audacityteam.org. This is important to ensure you download the safe, genuine version of the software instead of a third-party copy. Once on the homepage, click on the Downloads option in the top navigation bar. On the Downloads page, you'll see different options for various operating systems. Since we're installing it on Windows 11, click on Windows, scroll down until you find the section labeled 64-bit installer, then click Download. Your browser will begin downloading the installer, and you can monitor its progress at the bottom of your window. Once it's finished, open your Downloads folder, find the file, and double-click it to start the installation process. When the setup window opens, click Next to proceed through each step. You can leave the default settings as they are unless you prefer to change the installation folder. Continue by pressing Next, then click Install to begin the installation. The process usually takes less than a minute depending on your computer speed. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup window. Audacity will now launch automatically. The first time you open it, you may see a welcome message or a pop-up window with some quick start information. You can close it to go directly to the main interface. Here, you'll see the timeline, recording controls, and audio editing tools. You can record using your computer's microphone or any external mic you have connected. Audacity offers a wide range of features, such as trimming, cutting, merging clips, noise reduction, pitch adjustment, equalization, and more. These tools make it easy to refine and polish your audio for professional results. For example, if you're recording a podcast or voiceover, you can remove background noise and adjust volume levels for a clean, consistent sound. Once your editing is done, you can export your project in several formats like MP3, WAV, or OGG, depending on your needs. Audacity's lightweight design and versatility make it ideal for both beginners and professionals. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity on your Windows 11 PC. You're now ready to start recording and editing audio effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides to help you get the most out of your software and tools.